Genius, genius, genius.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello reporting, how are you doing? Good, doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name is NA Saqib. I'm your IELTS and spoken English trainer and student visa consultant. I've been training the students and professionals at the platform of Genius Institute Lahore the last 21 years. Dear friends, we are doing lots of videos on IELTS, and today another video about IELTS speaking part 2, a very critical part. It's a cue card or a task card. Today's task card on which Miss Samra is going to give her presentation would be describe a volunteer work experience you have had. The bullet points will be like this: what volunteer work it was, where it was, and why you volunteered, and explain how you felt about it. So that's the topic. You can make your notes. In the meantime, you got 1 minute to make your notes and to brainstorm, and then you'll have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes on this topic continuously. It's a long term. Thank you. Okay, so your time begins now.
Volunteering gives you the chance to pursue a new job without having a long-term commitment. It's a great way to learn various experiences. You can volunteer directly with the agency that does the kind of work you are involved in. Actually, I really wanted to help some poor people and vulnerable people. And in March 2020, I was offered a chance to volunteer. Our Prime Minister ordered a complete lockdown for 3 months in order to protect the public. I mean to say, good side is that people remain healthy at homes, and still they had a chance to spend the time with their loved ones and with their families, which they don't spend due to their busy life schedule. And yeah, everything has two sides. Lockdown proves bad for labor class because they are losing their job, and they are suffering. They haven't had enough resources to provide their families with shelter and food. The street people, my street people decided to help the vulnerable and needy people. So they declared that they needed some volunteers, so that we can aware them, we can give awareness if they suffer any kind of symptoms. If they suffer from temperature, cough and fever, so they can go to the hospital. Okay, we all raised some cash for the purchase of masks and for sanitization. I found that it offers a lot of mental peace to work for others that I didn't get when I worked for myself. There has been a lot of change in my way of thinking and outlook on life. I worked for the government for 2 years, but for this day I spend my allowance money to buy medical equipments and to facilitate them whenever they need and anytime.
Lots of thank you very much indeed. I've written some wonderful phrases, collocations and vocabulary items she has used, and they are appropriate and according to the theme she was talking about. The first one was a pursue. Yeah, that's a great word. And long-term commitment. And then what vulnerable people, healthy. She has not pronounced healthy. It is actually a healthy. She has pronounced healthy. She should take action to change it. Busy life schedule. Shelter and food, sanitization, mental peace, outlook, facilitate, wonderful verb. So all these words have really boosted her band scores, and I hope that she will keep on choosing the appropriate vocabulary regarding the topic. Fluency was good, it was really nice, and as far as pronunciation is concerned, there was nothing wrong in it, because it should be understandable for the examiner what were you speaking about. And then about grammar, there were hardly any structural issue here in this presentation. So I hope that you would have learned a lot from this piece of recording, and I hope that you will keep on learning new things which we are uploading on the daily basis. I'm going to see you in another uploaded video. Until then, take care of yourself and bye-bye.
Genius, genius, genius.